Hi, this is personal injury attorney Jeff Adelman. We have to talk about subpoenas. That's something that you commonly see in the news, and it's something that is a very powerful tool for lawyers in litigation. In fact, it's one of the most powerful things in the lawyer's arsenal because it allows us to obtain any information that has some reasonable investigative value. The test is, will it lead to discoverable information, not whether or not it would actually be admissible evidence at trial. So there are things out there that we can get that we may never present to a jury, but it could lead to something that we could present to a jury. For example, you can get a person's work history and confirm that they actually did the work there. That's something that would be completely reasonable to subpoena. Now, there are certain privileges out there that can be asserted, but if a privilege is not asserted, then the person who receives the subpoena is commanded by law to turn over the documentation or whatever the items are. It's actually a violation of a court order to not comply with a subpoena, and you can be held in contempt of court for failure to comply. It might be a good idea in certain circumstances to alert someone that they should be expecting a subpoena for records. But it's not just for records. You can be subpoenaed to bring your person to a deposition. It means you can be commanded to appear in person at a deposition. The best thing to do if you ever are subpoenaed for deposition is to call the lawyer subpoenaing you if you can't make it and make arrangements to present yourself at a more convenient time. If you ignore it, then you have to just go at the time prescribed by the lawyer. And if you completely ignore it and don't show up, like I said, you can be held in contempt of court, which could actually involve you going to jail. That's rare, but at the same time, I would not want to press my luck on something like that. If you have any further questions about subpoenas, feel free to reach out to me at jeff@adelmanlawyers.com. That's ADELMAN lawyers.com.